Bullish Jasmy coin Jasmy cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.992 and $0.54762 by 2030. Market examiners accept Jasmy could reach $0.22549 by 2025. Negative Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.95154. Jasmy coin Jasmy presentation. Jasmy coin as a stage was sent off to utilize the web of things gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the conventional design of a market, the cryptographic money market continues developing and stretching out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Notwithstanding with this consistent advancement and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin Jasmy. Jasmy stage fills in as an information security convention that places information and majority rule government at a high worth and expects to go about as a mediator for the solid trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces PDL. This guarantees that information isn't handily gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks, which help information examination and hoarded estimates. In this article, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin Jasmy. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise venture for the following bull run? Will it hit all-time again after this demise twisting, and what's the cost figure for Jasmy before long? What is Jasmy coin Jasmy? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based altcoin and local badge of the Jasmy stage, a Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web gadgets in this way, improving the customary method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an enormous scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy coin Jasmy is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IP's Interplanetary Document Framework, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework, yet the organization used to fabricate it is Worldwide Space Record Frameworks IPS, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and incorporates trust into the blockchain. This convention is additionally Web3's stockpiling network that offers the motivations of Filecoin as its auxiliary. Since creation by a group of Sony leaders are viewed as experts of hardware, mechanics, media communications, gadgets, framework mixes, and plans on their site in Tokyo, Jasmy has been making one organization or the other to stay aware of the flood of new clients and grow their computerized domain and importance. Jasmy can likewise be applied to our everyday exercises like program driving, dispatch administrations, and in any event, shopping. For example, Silo Centripe, a SensNet blockchain installment stage created, got, and incorporated by Jasmy, can be utilized at candy machines. Jasmy coin is right now worth $6443. Jasmy has moved 370% as of now with an exchanging volume of $44,458,291. Jasmy coin is as of now positioned 176 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $317,618,215. Using the general strength file RSI, moving weighted normal MWA Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity MACD from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin Jasmy to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2023. Jasmy coin from certain perspectives is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Jasmy. The Jasmy cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $9664. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $992 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Jasmy is supposed to have a base worth of $97731. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2024. In 2024, Jasmy coin Jasmy cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Jasmy will before long outperform $0.16106. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Jasmy's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wages. Taking into account the market instability, Jasmy will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.12885 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.14174. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.022549 and Jasmy might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Jasmy is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.2616 and a low of $0.19328 in 2025. Jasmy coin Jasmy value forecast 2026. Assuming that Jasmy coin effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the Jasmy coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Jasmy will be green in 2026. The Jasmy is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $2.992, with a base cost of $2.577 and a typical cost of $2.759. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Jasmy cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.351 by 2027, with a base cost of $32213 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Jasmy has a most extreme value worth of $35434. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $0.39944. On the off chance that Jasmy figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $41877. Neglecting to assemble the help Jasmy needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $38655. Jasmy coin Jasmy value forecast 2029. While Jasmy is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $0.4598 and a yearly cost close above $0.48319 in 2029. Jasmy coin Jasmy value forecast 2030. By 2030, Jasmy coin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.05154 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.54762, averaging out at $0.52829. What is the Jasmy coin Jasmy cost today? Today, Jasmy coin Jasmy is exchanging at $0.06443 with an all-out market capitalization of $317,618,215. Is Jasmy coin a wise venture? Jasmy coin ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is savvy to say that Jasmy is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Jasmy coin at any point go? The typical cost of Jasmy coin Jasmy might perhaps reach $0.892 this year. Throughout the following 5